I will use 4mm yarn, a hook of 5mm, needle and scissors. So let's begin! Slip knot and chain 21. Half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and repeat half double crochet into the next 8 chains. Now make 2 slip stitches. Half double crochet 9 times till the end of the row. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat half double crochet 9 times, 2 slip stitches, half double crochet 9 times. Repeat this round 2 times. And that's how it's going to look like. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. And after that we are going to stitch 2 sides together by using a needle. If the video is useful, I would appreciate your like. You can also subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. Make a knot and let's proceed with details. Slip knot and chain 19. Half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet 7 more times. In total you should have 8 half double crochet. Slip stitch in the next 2 chains. Now make 8 half double crochet till the end of the row. And done. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. Half double crochet 8 times, 2 slip stitches, half double crochet 8 times. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Join the parts by making a knot. Now let's crochet the center. We are going to make a slip knot and chain around 10 times. It depends on the size of the bow. And single crochet in each chain. We are going to repeat this round 2 times. So now chain 1, turn your work and single crochet in each stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we are going to join all parts together by making some knots by using the ends of the yarn and also a needle. And also let's hide the ends of the yarn and cut the extra. And here is our final result. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel, happy holidays and happy crocheting. Bye!